Okay, attaching and transferring CSS styles between pages in Dreamweaver. So here I'm in a contact page that I've created, and I have my information, and I want to make the headers for each piece of information bold, and I've already created a style for this in my in another page, but it's not inside of this sheet, so I cannot use it. But I want to use the same one, and why should I create a new one? It's just inefficient to do that. So pull those styles from one page to another. The issue is that when you create styles on a page, they automatically go under the category specified to stay within that page itself, not to be a separate CSS file, but just to stay within that page file itself. So that's the situation that's happened here. So what I want to do basically is take styles that have been specified within my services page. I'm going to jump over here, and I want to create a style sheet. That's a file itself that I can use outside of this page on other pages. So how to do that is I'm just going to go new CSS rule and new style sheet file, and I'm just going to say it's class and needless style because I'm not going to need it. Okay. Alright, so here it takes me to the window where I can create a new style sheet file. Perfect. And since this is my services page, I'm just going to call this services styles. Perfect. Alright, there we go. So I don't need to specify anything for this. I'm just going to click OK. And there's my about styles. There's services styles right there. So if I drop that down, needless style. Okay, perfect. Alright, I'm going to jump back over to my contact page and notice that I've only got my in-page styles and the about styles. Actually, these styles right here are based on my template page, but I cannot move any styles into them because that page is locked, and that comes up. So I can't do that. So I gotta go here to attach the page I just made, browse for that new style sheet. That was my services styles. There it is right there. Perfect. So I'm going to choose that, and okay, there it is. I got my needless style there, but that's not the one that I need. So I'm going to go back to my services page where that style is and find it. Bold text in paragraph header. That's the one I'm looking for. Bam. So actually, I could end up needing all of these for that page as well. Some only apply to specific pages. So if I can find what those are, left aligned image, energy section header. Some certain styles that I create will only apply to that page, and I won't need to move them. I'm only going to move a few that I might need for this other page. So I'm just going to take those down to my services styles right there. Whoop, I want to put them at the very top if I can manage it. Okay, so those are in there. I'm going to jump back over to my contact page, and there they are. So the style is now there. I can go over to phone number, highlight it, and in paragraph header is right there. There we go. That's what I wanted. Problem solved. The most logical thing to do would be most logical thing for attaching styles to a lot of sheets that are going to apply to a lot of different sheets is to put them in the template page and just make it, because that's automatically going to be included with every new page that's created. So in order to do that, what I would do is just go to the template page and attach a style sheet that I already made. I can just do that, and then in this template page within itself, I can drag those files or styles down into the template main style section that I'll be able to use across all the pages. So that would be the easiest way to do that. Yeah, so that's basically it, transferring and attaching style sheets across pages.